guys, thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we are looking at this question sent in by one of the fans. This is mathematics. Let's look at the question. We are asked to evaluate root minus 3 times root minus 5 divided by root 15. We have option here. This is objective question. Option A is 1, option B minus 1, option C plus or minus 1, option D I. This is a complex number. In my previous video, I've solved questions from this topic called complex number. You can check my video to see that. Let's look at how we can handle this. Very important. If you look at this question critically, we have to use the concept of sort, basic rules of sort to analyze this question. Let's write down the solution. We have to understand that if we have root 3 times root 5, we can write it as square root 3 times 5, which is equals to root 15. Very important, okay? But if we have root minus 3 times root minus 5 is not the same as square root of minus 3 times minus 5. They are not the same. So if that's the case, how then can we analyze this? Recall that if we have root minus 3, we can write this as root minus 1 times root 3. Very important. And root minus 1 under complex number, because there is no real solution to minus 1, is nothing but I. So it means if we evaluate root minus 3 is the same thing as saying I multiplied by root 3. Very important. Then what about root minus 5? Root minus 5, we use the same concept, will be equals to root minus 1 times root 5. Root minus 1 is the same thing as I multiplied by root 5. That will be I root 5. So we use this concept to evaluate this question. Let's move here. In place of root minus 3 now, I can replace I times root 3 times, in place of root minus 5, I will replace I times root 5. I times what? Root 5 divided by root 15. Root 15. Very important. By the way, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for joining me. Let's continue. I times I under complex number, we have to go to the wall of complex number now. Okay? I times I times I is nothing but I squared. Okay? So it means I times I is I squared, then root 5 times root 3 will be root 15. We have established that fact here. So we have I squared multiplied by root 15 divided by root 15. Okay? So at this point, we can divide root 15 by root 15. That will be 1. We are left with I squared. I squared is the same thing as minus 1. So the solution to this question is minus 1. Let's look at the options that we have here. Option A, 1. No, that's not the answer. Option B, minus 1. That's the correct option. So the correct answer is minus 1. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for watching.